What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a cartoon holiday penguin. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the beak. We're going to start right in the middle. Let's start with a point. Now from this point we're just going to bend this out toward the left and then down. Let's go back up to the top, bend this out towards the right and then down towards the same height. Now from the end, just going to bend the beak coming in and then down towards the center point. So let's start with the left side, coming down, do the same thing on the right. Now from the outside corner of the beak, let's draw on the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down, round this out, and then pull that back up. Along the bottom, let's add a curve for the tongue, going up and then down, and it will fill the top area of the mouth in black. Now going back to the corner of the beak, let's step out and draw the cheeks. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to bend this up and then down. And do the same thing on the right. And we'll tuck the eyes in behind the cheeks. From the inside, let's step over, draw a circle, going all the way around toward the top of the eye, and then come down on top of the cheek. Let's add a small circle on the top right side of each eye for a highlight, tucked up against the edge. Now along the bottom left, we draw a smaller circle for another highlight. And we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around those highlights. Now we're going to move up and draw the bottom edge of the hat brim. From the outside left eye, let's step out. Just going to curve this up above the eyes, go across, and then down. Let's round up the sides and go around and back in towards the top. And we'll draw that same curve across the top of the hat brim. Now I'm going to go back over towards the left side and draw the top of the hat. We want to go up, round this out, and then bring that back down. And then on the left side, I'm going to draw a large circle tucked in behind the side of the head. Let's start from the top, all the way around, and just pull that back in. Now I'm going to add a pattern and stripes across the top of the hat. Over on the left side, let's add another curve, going up, and then down. Step up and draw that again. Let's add a pattern across that bottom section. Starting from the left side, we're just going to draw a zigzag coming down and then back up. We're just going to work our way across towards the right side. Now in that second section, we're going to add a series of small circles. Let's wrap that scarf around the neck. From the bottom corners of the hat brim, starting on the left, we're going to curve this down underneath the beak, go across, and then back up. Let's add that stripe in the center of the head, leaving a gap in the middle. Let's start over on the left, bend this up and out underneath the hat. Do the same thing on the right. Now going back to the side of the head, let's draw the bottom of the scarf. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to curve this out, come down and in towards the middle, go across towards the right, and then bend that back in. And we'll draw the bottom of the scarf over on the right side. From the center, let's move over and straight down. Round up the bottom of the scarf, going back up, and pull that straight up underneath. Let's add a pattern across the scarf. We're going to start in the middle with two lines, side by side. Let's leave a gap. Over on the left, we're just going to bend this out and then in, and then just trace that along the outside. Let's add one more. Now I want to do the same thing on the right. So we're going to step out, we're just going to bend this out towards the right and in, and add one more on the outside. Now along the bottom, we're going to step up, add another curve, step up toward the top, add one trim, trace that along the top. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to separate this with a series of vertical lines. Now we want to tuck the body in underneath the scarf. Let's start all the way over on the left side and curve this out, come down and then in towards the center. Let's round out the body, pull this up towards the right, and then bend that in underneath the scarf. Now you want to trace the body along the inside. Let's start back on the top left, come down, round this out, go up, and then in. Let's draw in the left wing. We start from the top of the body, bend this down, and then out. Round out the wing, pull this in towards the side of the body. Now we want to take that wing and flip it over on the right. Start from the top of the body, come down, and then out. Round out the wing, and then just tuck this in towards the side of the body. Now let's add the feet in underneath. We're going to leave a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. Bend the foot going out and then down. Line it up on the right. Now I'm just going to round out the toe, go up and in. Now I'm going to layer 2 more toes in behind. We're going to start halfway along the top, go out and down, round out the toe and bend that back in. And we'll do that one more time. Starting from the top, we go out, bend this up and then in towards the side of the body. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of a holiday penguin. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.